Hello everyone to crack PC exams. Today let us look into one of the previous papers of AAI. So this specific paper belongs to the AAI Eastern Region examination which took place on 4th of January this year for senior assistant accounts. So this particular syllabus is common for both senior assistant accounts and junior executive finance. So all the candidates who applied for both these vacancies can definitely follow this whole video to be very helpful for examination. And also students who applied for the junior executive common cadre can also follow, because we'll also be discussing not only the professional knowledge section but also the QRE section also in the upcoming videos. So now let's dive into the professional knowledge section part of the questions one by one, which is specifically useful for both the candidates who applied for junior executive finance and senior assistant accounts for the 2023 notification. So coming to the first question, let us go through one by one. With respect to management of the working capital, which of the following statement is correct? Statement 1. Working capital advance is provided by commercial banks in three primary ways: cash credit overdraft, loans, and purchase or discount of bills. Yes, this is correct. Statement 2. Letter of credit is a formal document issued by a bank on behalf of the customer mentioning the conditions under which the bank will honor the commitments of the customer. So statement 2 is also correct. So the answer to this is both statement 1 and 2 are correct. So moving to second question. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to financial statement of a non-profit organization? If you see to this question, option 3 is the correct answer, because it has mentioned that the income and expenditure account follows the real account rule, which is incorrect in this case, because actually the income and expenditure account follows the nominal rule. If you can follow the basic golden rules of accounting, debit all expense and losses and credit all income and gain, which is the nominal rule. Hence, the incorrect statement here is option 3, which is the correct answer. Moving to question number 3. And dash is a detailed plan of the auditing work to be performed, specifying the procedures to be followed in verification of each item and the financial statement and the estimated time required. Audit program is the correct answer. Option 4. Which of the following is not regarded as an essential feature of the negotiable instrument? First option can be in writing or oral, which is incorrect, because a negotiable instrument must be in writing. Hence, option 1 is correct. Option 5. Dash refers to the process of deciding on how to communicate the data from source to destination network. In this, the data is transferred in the form of data packets using internet protocol or IP address. Routing is the correct answer. Option 6. With respect to the restriction in the filing of GST returns, which of the following statement is so correct? Statement 1. For monthly filers, such registered person shall not be allowed to file GST R1 in case he has not furnished this return in form GST 3B for the preceding 2 months, which is correct. Statement 2. For quarterly filers, such registered person shall not be allowed to file GST R1 or use invoice furnishing facility in case he has not furnished the return in form GST 3B for the prescribed time period. This is also correct. Hence, the correct option is 1. That is, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Moving to question number 7. Which of the following is not regarded as a time-adjusted capital budgeting appraisal method? Option 4. Payback period. Because it is not regarded as time-adjusted capital budgeting appraisal method. Rest, that is net present value, IRR, and profitability index are all capital budgeting appraisal methods. Moving to question number 8. With regard to the accounting standards related to disclosure of accounting principles, which of the following is not a fundamental accounting assumption? So there are 3 fundamental accounting assumptions, that is going concern, consistency, and accrual. Hence option 2 is the correct answer, that is conservatism is not regarded as a fundamental accounting assumption. Moving to question number 9. With respect to types of finances, which of the following statement is incorrect? Let us go through one by one option. A debenture is a type of loan which can be raised from the public. True. Preference shares are a hybrid form of financing with some characteristics of equity shares and attributes of debt capital. True. Option 3. A debt is a fixed income instrument created to raise, and bond can be raised only to public issue, not a private placement. This is incorrect, because a bond can also be issued through private placement. Hence, option 3 is the correct answer. And let's move on to the next question. Dissolution of firm in accordance with the Indian Partnership Act of 1932 can take place. Options: by mutual consent of all partners or in accordance with the contract made by them. Yes. By notice given in writing by any partner to all other partners with the partnership is said well. Yes. And then option 3: by compulsory dissolution where the partners or all but one are adjudged insolvent. Yes. So all option 1, 2, 3 are correct. So now moving to question 11. With respect to the payment of gratuity Act 1972, which of the following statement are correct? First point, the payment of gratuity rules 1972 came into force with effect from 16th of August 1972, which is incorrect because the rules came into effect from 16th of September 1972. So first point is incorrect. Second point, Rule 3 provides that within 30 days of the rules becoming applicable to an establishment, a notice in Form A shall be submitted by the employer to the controlling authority of area, which is correct. In option 3, Section 4 subsection 2 provides that for every completed year of service or part thereof in excess of 6 months, the employer shall pay gratuity to an employee at the rate of 15 days wages based on the rate of wages last drawn by the employee concerned. Point number 3 is also correct. Hence, except point 1, both point 2 and 3 are correct. So, answer is option 3, both 2 and 3. Now, let's move on to question number 12. A transport service company is running 4 buses between 2 towns which are 50 miles apart. The seating capacity for each bus is 40 passengers. Actual passengers carried at 75% of the seating capacity. All 4 buses ran on all days of the month of April. Each bus made 1 round trip per day. Calculate total passenger miles. So in this question, in April there are 30 days and then there is 1 round trip per day. 40 passengers, seating capacity is 75%, total bus of 4. So the total passenger miles is 40 into 75% into 100. Here 100 is because there are 50 miles and 1 round trip. 1 round trip means totally 2 rounds, so 50 into 2, that is 100. So 40 into 75% into 100 into 4 buses into 30. So 30 is 30 days. So the total passenger miles is 3,60,000. Once again, let me tell the answer. 40 into 75% into 100 into 4 into 30 is 3,60,000 total passenger miles. Next, question number 13. With respect to calculating profit prior to incorporation, which of the following expenses will you apportion on the basis of time ratio for pre and post incorporation period? Answer is option 1, depreciation. Question 14. With respect to a single entry system, which of the following statement is incorrect? The incorrect statement is option 2. That is, in this system, it's very common to keep only real accounts and to avoid personal and nominal account is an incorrect option with respect to single entry system. Rest all the options, if you can go through, that is 1, 3 and 4 are all correct. That is, it lacks uniformity as it's a mere adjustment of double entry system according to the convenience of the person. And in this system, it's very often to keep one cash book which mixes the business as well as private transaction, and the books which are maintained according to the system can be kept only by a sole trader or a partnership firm. Hence, the incorrect option is 2. Question number 15. As per section 55 subsection 2 AA 3A of the Income Tax Act 1961, the cost of acquisition of the financial asset being allotted on the basis of holding of any other financial asset to the assessee without payment shall be taken to be nil. Hence, option 3 is the correct answer, which is nil. Section 16, Section Dash of the Companies Act 2013 provides the matters to be stated in a prospectus. It is Section 26 of the Companies Act 2013. Question 17. Which of the following is not regarded as an advantage of the pre-pack accounting software? First option allows the user to make the invoice, challan, etc. look the way they want. Yes, it's an advantage. Option 2. Security is generally missing in a pre-packaged accounting software since any person can view the data of all companies with common access password. This is not an advantage. Hence, option 2 is the correct answer. Option 3 and 4 looks perfect. These are all advantages, but option 2 is not the advantage, hence that is the correct answer. Question number 16. As per section 129 of the Companies Act 2013, dash of schedule 3 is related to preparation of profit and loss statement. It is part 2 of schedule 3 is related to the preparation of profit and loss statement, hence option 1 is the correct answer. Question 19. Dash constituted the GST Council on 15 September 2016. It is President of India. Hence, the option 3 is the correct answer. President of India constituted the GST Council. Question number 20. According to section 32 of the Income Tax Act 1961, depreciation at the rate of dash is provided on furniture 10% because depreciation on furniture as per Income Tax Act is 10%. Now question number 21. With regard to the ERP system, which of the following statement is correct? Statement 1. ERP is an overall business management system that caters the need of all the people connected with the organization. Correct. And statement 2. ERP is an enterprise-wide information system designed to coordinate all the resources, information activities needed to complete business process such as order fulfilling or billing. Statement 2 is also correct. Hence, answer to this question is option 3. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 22. If maturity date is public holiday after including the days of grace, the due date will be preceding business day. Hence option 4 is correct, which is the preceding business day. Question number 23. Under the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act 1952, which of the following fund is allowed for which of the following purpose? Again, once again, question number 23. Under the Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act 1952, withdrawal from fund is allowed for which of the following purpose? Option 1. For the purchase of a house or flat or for the construction of a dwelling house, including the acquisition of a suitable site for the purpose. Yes. For repayment of loans in specific cases. Correct. Option 3. Withdrawal within 1 year before retirement. Yes. All these purposes are allowed. Hence, option 4, that is all 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Moving to question number 24. With respect to the amalgamation of companies, which of the following statement is incorrect? In amalgamation, no new resultant company is formed. No, this is not true because in amalgamation, new company is formed. Hence, option 1 is the correct answer. Question number 25. With respect to deduction, which of the following statement is incorrect? Deduction under section 80 EEA in respect of purchase of electric vehicle. Incorrect. Deduction 80E is provided for a loan for higher education. Correct. 80GG is in respect of house rent paid. Correct. And 80D in respect of medical insurance premium. That is also correct. But 80EEA is not provided for purchase of electric vehicle, but is additional deduction provided for purchase of housing loan. That is over and above section 24B. 50,000 is provided in specific cases. That is 80EEA. Hence, option 1 is incorrect because it is not a deduction respect to the purchase of electric vehicle. So in today's video, I like to cover only till question 25. Actually, in total professional knowledge itself, there are like 70 questions, and also QRE questions are also present, like 30 more questions. So in total, this question paper contains 100 questions. So in today's video, we only covered 25 questions. So do like this video and also comment how useful this video was, and what are the other questions and other papers I have to cover, because not only this specific paper, we also have 2 other previous papers of Airport Authority of India which can be very useful for the upcoming 2023 examination for both Junior Executive Finance, Senior Assistant Accounts, and also the Common Cadet candidates also. So do subscribe to YouTube channel. Also follow our Telegram channel for further updates and guidance on how to crack the exam. And in upcoming days, every day we'll also be posting videos which contain other questions and papers also, which could be very useful for AAI. So thank you all. Do like, share and subscribe.